Hey guys, this looks like a fun one. We're asked to solve for x. We're given the quantity 1 plus 1 over x to the power of x plus 1 equals the quantity 1 plus 1 over 23 to the power of 23. So these two numbers match, but these two do not match. At first I thought maybe there's no solution, but there is a nice clean solution. If you want to try it on your own, pause it right now because I'm going to solve it in 3, 2, 1. For the first step, I think it'll be easier if we change both of these into fractions. As it is right now, this is kind of a mixed number and it makes things tricky to work with. So this one's a little bit easier. Let's do it first. In order to add these together, we need fractions with a common denominator. Let's change this 1 into a 23 over 23. And then 23 over 23 plus 1 over 23 is 24 over 23. And now we have this side done. Now for this one, it's the same idea. We have to give them a common denominator. So we're going to rewrite this 1 as an x over x. And then x over x plus 1 over x becomes x plus 1 over x. And that's the end of the first step. So on the inside, this is 1 larger than this. And this is 1 larger than this. So that's promising. But the problem is these two match, but these two do not match. So how are we going to fix this? Well, it's a very subtle trick. So on the inside of this one, we're going to multiply top and bottom by -1. And nothing's going to change because we're just multiplying top and bottom by -1. When we distribute the -1 to the top, the positive x plus 1 will become negative x minus 1. And on bottom, -1 times x is negative x. So now things are messed up a little bit. The bottom's supposed to be 1 less. In this case, the top is 1 less. So now we're going to want to take the reciprocal of this so it matches with this one. We're going to end up multiplying the exponent by -1 times -1. One of the negative ones will distribute to the exponent, and the other negative one is going to go to the parentheses. So for the exponent, we have a negative x plus 1. Then for the parentheses, what a -1 does is it takes the reciprocal. So this negative x minus 1 will go on bottom, and the negative x will go on top. And that was another little trick to do with two negative ones. And on the right-hand side, nothing's changing. Next, let's distribute this negative to both of these. So this positive x plus 1 will become negative x minus 1. Now look what we have. This bottom is 1 less than the top, just like this bottom is 1 less than the top. And the denominator is equal to the exponent, just like this denominator is equal to this exponent. So one thing we can try, we can set the numerator equal to the numerator and the exponent equal to the exponent. If both of these give the same answer for x, that's one possible solution of this. And both of these give us x is equal to -24. So x equals -24 is a possible answer to this. Let's test it out. In the place of these x's, let's plug in -24. In the exponent, -24 plus 1 is -23. And on the inside, adding a negative number is the same thing as subtracting. And then let's give them a common denominator. Let's rewrite the 1 as 24 over 24. 24 over 24 minus 1 over 24 is 23 over 24. And now that's the negative exponent, we can flip this upside down. So 23 over 24 to the -23 is the same thing as 24 over 23 to the positive 23. And then we got to show that equals the right-hand side. Well, we can rewrite the 1 as 23 over 23. 23 over 23 plus 1 over 23 is 24 over 23. And now these two sides are equal to the same thing. So x equals -24 checks out. Let's put a box around it. There may be other answers, and there may have been a better way to solve this one, but I wanted to share with you guys what I ended up doing. How exciting.